Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexei, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Jaycen Joshua's 3D reverb trick. Jaycen Joshua is an American sound engineer who has been working with such great artists as Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey, Christina Aguilera, Jennifer Lopez, Michael Jackson, and many more. If you want to learn from Jaycen Joshua on mixing, you can check out his videos and courses on Mix with the Masters. The link will be in the info box of this video. So in our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Jaycen Joshua's 3D reverb trick to create some 3D dimension in your mix. So in this case we're gonna be using Waves Audio True Reverb on our vocals. First of all, let's have a listen to our vocals without Waves Audio True Reverb.
Night falls like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost my heartbeat, left my love with the sun, left me feeling so numb.
So in this case, how to make our vocals sound in 3D. So in this case, in our True Reverb, we have early reflection settings, we have reverb settings, also we have room size, and we have distance. Of course we have other settings in our True Reverb, but in our case we're gonna be using early reflections, reverb, room size, and distance. How to make your vocals sound in 3D. In this case we can adjust our room size, and adjusting the settings for our distance will help our vocals to sound in front or on back. And by adjusting distance settings, we can move our vocals from front to back. So in this case, if we start moving our distance from the left to the right, we will start moving our vocal sound from front to back.
Left my love with the sun, left me feeling so numb.
So again, when our distance is on the left side, it helps our vocals sound more upfront.
Night falls like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost my heartbeat, left my love with the sun.
And when we move our distance from left to the right, so right now our vocals will sound on the back.
Night falls like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost my heartbeat, left my love with the sun, left me feeling so numb.
So in this case, by using this trick, you can move your vocals, drums, guitars, bass, and other instruments from left to right to create a 3D dimension effect, or to create some kind of Dolby Atmos effect in your mix on your instruments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you, and see you next time.